What's up, guys? So what we've got for you today is a new product that we've been using, been testing out. This is the Jackery Explorer 160. So the Explorer 160 is the smallest portable power station that Jackery has. It's just under 4 pounds, so it's very lightweight. I mean, if you want to go on a backpack, shove it in the backpack, or just take a little carabiner, strap it on there. You know, hey, charge your phone while you're out and about. Do what I'm doing right now. I'm charging the phone and the DJI drone. So, tell you a little bit of basics about it. So I've obviously got the AC inverter right here. It has 150 watt max. Then I've got two USB-C ports and a USB-A port. Then we've got the input and another DC output. The input, it takes 42 watt max. So if you have like a 50 watt portable solar panel, it'll definitely work with this. So it's really cool, it's lightweight, like I said. Another feature that's really handy is, look at that, LED flashlight, very lightweight.
Yeah, so the Explorer 160, it's ideal for hiking, camping, fishing, soccer games, or just about anywhere you need power and it's not available.
Jackery Explorer 160. Stay steady, guys.